Hind everyone, welcome to the another enlightening episode of You Are Limitless, You Are Limitless. Today we delve into the vibrant atmosphere of Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat Camp 1, conducted by NCC Directorate Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, NCC Group Hyderabad, 7th Telangana Girls Battalion. Broadcasting live from the camp's location, CMR Institute of Engineering and Technology. We witnessed the conversions of 600 cadets, including representatives from Kota, Jaipur of NCC groups of Rajasthan Directorate, alongside companions from NCC Group, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana Directorate. With a dedicated team of 37 members, including officers, JCOs, NCOs, GCIs and ANOs. The story unfolds. The igniting flames of unity, leadership and excellence, shaping the leaders for tomorrow. Now we have with us the cadets of Rajasthan Directorate participating in Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat Camp. The session is more lively interacting with them. Let's get started. Ram Ram sir.
Ram Ram sir.
So let's begin the session with introducing yourself and how did you make through this camp?
I have been selected for EBSB camp, ma'am, because of my cultural skills, as I have always showcased my cultural skills from the school times. And when I heard about EBSB camp in Telangana state, I was so thrilled to feel that, okay, I will be knowing the culture of the other state. So yeah, I got selected in 3 phases. The first was drill, second the cultural, and third GD discussion.
Jai Hind everyone, myself LCPL Nikita Kanwar from First Raj Girls Battalion NCC Rajasthan Directorate Jaipur Group. अब जैसे कि अपन बात कर रहे हैं EBSB की, तो मेरा बहुत इंटरेस्ट रहता है कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ में, तो उनको एनहेंस करने के लिए मैंने EBSB सिलेक्ट किया एंड आई फील वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू बी हियर. तो अगर सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस की बात की जाए तो हमको अप्रैल में नोटिफिकेशन मिली थी, तो उसमें मैम ने हमको बताया था कि 12th मई से 25th मई तक EBSB कैंप है. जो भी सिलेक्शन देना चाहते हैं वो अपने इंटरेस्ट वगैरह लिखें और यूनिट आए. तो उसके बाद यूनिट में हमारा 3 स्टेज में हुआ था. लाइक हमने डांस प्रिपेयर किया था, तो डांस दिखाया था, सिंगिंग एंड लास्ट इंटरव्यू विथ हमारे जो CEO सर हैं वो.
अच्छा.
और उसमें से हमारी कॉलेज से 4 वैकेंसीज थी, तो आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड.
आपने गाना गाया था?
हाँ बिल्कुल, बाई सारा बीरा उस टाइम पे मैंने वो गाया था.
2 लाइन हो जाए?
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. बाई सारा बीरा जयपुर जा जो सा, बाई सारा बीरा जयपुर जा जो सा, आता तो ल्याई जो तारारी चुंदरी, आता तो ल्याई जो तारारी चुंदरी, सुंदर गोरी भात बताओ सा, सुंदर गोरी भात बताओ सा, कसिक ल्यावा तारारी चुंदरी, कसिक ल्यावा तारारी चुंदरी.
Wow, that was melodious. Thank
Thank
you for
you.
singing for us. And ये कैंप में जो आपने इतने दिन बिताए, वो जो फन मोमेंट क्या था आपके बीच में? What did you enjoy the most here?
सीनियर्स के साथ अपनी बॉन्ड बनाना, मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ इन दिनों कि वो आप लोगों के साथ हमारा जो बॉन्ड रहा है वो सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट था. लाइक हम लोग कभी कभार ऑन ग्राउंड तो उनके साथ मतलब स्ट्रिक्ट थे वो, लेकिन विदाउट, जब वो ऑन ग्राउंड पे नहीं रहते थे, तब हमने ऐसा फील किया कि हम उन लोगों के साथ इतना कंफर्टेबल है कि हम उनके साथ मस्ती कर सकते हैं, बात कर सकते हैं, हर बात की शेयर कर सकते हैं उन लोगों के साथ. और जैसा कि एज पर शी सेड कि लैंग्वेज, हम लोग जब आप लोगों का लैंग्वेज सुनते हैं तो फनी लगता है.
बिल्कुल.
तो उस रिगार्डिंग बस अभी तो थोड़ा बहुत ही सीखा है. बस.
क्या सुना सकते हो 2 लाइन क्या सीखा है?
Just what?
Like it's like have you had meal? So it's like annam kinnara and like yeah.
That's nice. आपने कुछ सीखा था इनको?
मैंने सीखा है कि मेरा नाम क्या है, दैट इज़ ना पीरू प्रद्युम्न श्रीवास्तव, एंड आपका नाम क्या है, तो नी पीरू एमती एंती नी पीरू एंती.
Now Cadets from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana will be joining us for the session. I welcome you all to the session. How was your experience interacting with the Rajasthan Directorate cadets?
Jai Hind. I am Surgeon Sai Krishnasri from CMR College of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana Directorate. Coming to the experience of EBSB camp, I feel really grateful being a part of this camp, and it's really being fun with interacting with Rajasthan cadets, and we got to know many more new things about their culture, food and everything. So it's really fun.
निकले थे हम लोग एक अनजान से सफ़र पर, अनजान थे अपनी मंजिल से हम लोग, मिले हैं हम इनसे, ये है बहुत सबसे अलग कैडेट्स। हम सोच रहे थे कि जाके इनसे इंटरैक्ट करेंगे राजस्थान डायरेक्टरेट से। जब हम खाना खा रहे थे ये लोग ही खुद अपने आप हमारे पास आकर इनका इंट्रोडक्शन देने लगे और हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन लेने लगे। हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड और वो लोग हमारे बारे में और जानकारी ले रहे थे, हम भी उनके बारे में और जानना चाह रहे थे। जान रहे हैं कैंप अभी और बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे इनसे।
That's nice. It's good to know that you all got to know each other this well.
Yes.
I can see very colorful ribbon on your flaps. Can you tell me what it is?
Yeah, there's a small story behind this. Actually, after coming to EBSB camp, we have been divided into various groups. Those are Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Eco and Foxtrot.
Wow.
And so according to the alag groups, we have been given these tags. Mine green color represents Bravo company.
Okay.
And so similar to this, every of the ribbon represents the different company.
अच्छा, that's nice. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हुए हम एक दूसरे को कितने अच्छे से जानते हैं ये जानने के लिए एक छोटा सा गेम हो जाए, ओके? Any famous delicacies you know about Rajasthan?
There are few sweet dishes I know, like rabdi, lapsi and ghevar.
And I know few of the dishes from Rajasthan. They are sangri ki sabzi and ghevar and also papad ki sabzi.
Okay guys, now it's your turn. What are the delicacies you know about Andhra Pradesh and Telangana?
Okay, I thought I learned a famous dish which is putre khulu. Yes.
I learned about two dishes. One is gongura pachdi and another one is Irani chai.
Okay, moving on. So, what are the famous festivals of Rajasthan?
I guess Pushkar, it's the famous mela which is held in Rajasthan. And
Teej is what they celebrate like grandly, and then there is also Gangor, in which they get ready and they do it for their husbands.
Now your turn, guys. What are the famous festivals of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana?
Ugadi is a festival, I learned it here.
One is Sankranti and another one is I think Bonalu.
Yeah.
I was gonna say Bonalu and Ugadi. ये चीटिंग है।
डिस्कस करके आए हो सब। होली दिवाली यार कॉमन सी होती है।
हाँ, होली दिवाली। They play Holi with eggs. Yeah.
So moving on, the next question. The famous dynasty rulers of Rajasthan?
I know the Rajputanas. They were the first, like from Mewar. So Maharana Pratap was one of the famous idol from that time.
And I know about Padmavati. Yeah.
You guys?
The Nizams I have got to know.
I know Qutub Shah.
yeah.
Kakatiyas?
Kakatiyas.
Yes. So their dance form, which is their famous dance form?
It's Ghumar. They do it,
Oh, yes.
Ghumar, and like Garba and Zambis in Gujarat.
One with Kha and somewhere La, but I can't quite catch the word. Khal something. Kalbelia, yes, that. Kalbelia.
It is like Kuchipudi,
Yes.
dance form, and it's like something synonymous to Bharatanatyam, like last का इनियम आता है उसके अंदर.
Yes, it is a classical form.
Yeah.
what are the famous places to visit in Rajasthan? Do you know?
Yeah, I know about Hawa Mahal and Jantar Mantar.
Jaisalmer, Bikaner.
And I know about Udhampur Fort.
I just know only one, that Thar Desert, and also Jantar Mantar is there.
The Falodi Air Base in Jodhpur.
What places do you know?
Yeah. Ramoji Film City.
I know two of them. One is Kakatiya Kolaturnam. And another one is Golconda Fort.
One is Shilparamam.
Shilparamam. Shilparamam.
Charminar.
Yeah. Moving on. Lastly, क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे आप अपनी भाषा में अपने दोस्तों के लिए?
Yeah, I just want to tell something that తెలంగాణకి వచ్చిండ్రు మంచిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసుకోర్రి, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న కల్చరల్స్ అండ్ ఫుడ్ మంచిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి, అండ్ ఆల్సో మీ కల్చర్స్ కూడా మాకు నేర్పియండి. వీఆర్ రెడీ టు లర్న్ యువర్ కల్చర్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
तब आप लोग आए हो इधर तो सीखेंगे हम आपसे बहुत कुछ, आप भी हमसे सीखो और आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे. मुलाकात फिर होते रहेगी. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మనకి భాషతో పని లేదు, రాష్ట్రాలతో పని లేదు, దేశాలతో పని లేదు. మనందరం మనుషులుగానే ముందుకు వెళ్దాం.
ఫ్యూచర్లో కూడా మిమ్మల్ని కలిసే ఛాన్స్ మాకు దొరుకుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
माने तेलंगाना बहुत अच्छे लागे हो. मैं चाहवा कि थे भी मारे देश पधारो. वो कहवे नहीं पधारो मारे देश, तो थे सब पधारो मारे देश.
थे सारा का सारा माने याद करता रहीजो, भूल जो मत. और मैं सगला भी थाने याद कर सा रेवाला.
खाओ पियो मौज करो.
बस अब इससे ज़्यादा तो और क्या लोगे भाइयों, मत छोड़ो.
Thank you guys. Thank you for sharing your views. That's all for today's episode with Andhra Pradesh and Telangana Directorate and Rajasthan Directorate. Stay tuned for more such content.